Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix Unable to check for update on iPhone. Now this is going to be for iOS 26 Beta 2025. Now for example, you're not seeing that update, and you want to transition from iOS 18 or iOS 18.5 to iOS 26 Beta, right? And you really cannot see the update. So here's the three things that you can check to make this work. First things first, you need to check if you're connected to a strong internet. By going to settings right there, going to Wi-Fi, you need to make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection. The bars right there should be at least 2 to 3 bars. Do not use your data service for this one. Next up, I'm just gonna type it here, VPN and device management. So that one right there, make sure this is gonna be turned off and there's no VPN connected. Lastly, in here, let me just go back on the general settings right there and basically go on general all the way down, click on reset iPhone. You just need to reset your settings applications, and that's it. I'm guarantee you that you can see your iOS 26 update moving forward. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.